Okay, so this video is mostly for Michael. We have Paul and Tom and Jay. So Michael, those nice little ruts you went in over here that we got kind of stuck in, we had to push you out. Well, this is the beginning of the trail here. Yeah, Michael, those nice little ruts. I made a gate and a little deeper for you.
Yeah, so we went off-roading today and we did all this. I have videos of that I'll put after this clip. This is pretty much all I did this weekend. Here it was. This was nice and easy before we got here, and now this is just huge ass rut. This was barely anything a couple days ago. And now
Nice, there you go, Mike. Made it nice and rutted out for you.
Two-wheel drive still.
Yes.
Trying to go through it fast.
Trying to kill us now.
That one spot is so bad.
It's great. Oh my god. Oh, okay. A little faster than I like. He's gonna slam on the brakes, I know. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna die now. We are so dead. He's getting confident.
Same spot.
going through it the other way now. Which way? Oh, this way. Oh my gosh.
That's right. You can do it.
I only have two-wheel drive.
We'll get out and push if we need to. You can, yeah, you can make it. You wouldn't dig in. You just slide. Just don't end up in that other rut.
Yeah, once I get four-wheel drive fixing in my Jeep, then I'll go, which will probably be later this week. Hopefully later this week.